Are there any HEIC to JPEG converter that can convert HEIC to JPG or JPEG on Windows 11 10.8.7? Absolutely! In this video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive tutorial on how to easily convert HEIC to JPG on your PC. Part 2. How to batch convert HEIC to JPG on Windows with HEIC Converter. How do I convert multiple HEIC to JPG in Windows 10.11s? With acceleration technology, full-featured programs like Mobikin HEIC to JPG Converter Windows or Mac came into being. How to batch convert HEIC to JPG on Windows 10.11.8.7 via Mobikin HEIC to JPG Converter. Step 1. Download and install HEIC to JPG Converter on your computer. Launch it to get the primary interface like below. Step 2. Click Add HEIC or drag HEIF or HEIC images to the program directly. Step 3. Your HEIC pictures will be listed in the program interface. Select your desired ones to convert. Choose the output format JPG JPEGN. Check or uncheck Keep EXIF data, and then set the output path. Step 4. Click Convert to convert HEIC to JPG, JPEG, or N. When the process completes, please click the Show in Folder option to view your photos. Part 3. How to convert HEIC to JPG on Windows with Photos app. Double-click the HEIC file to open in Windows Photo. Click Edit and Create. Choose Edit, make basic edits, and click Save a copy as JPEG. Save in the original or a new folder. Part 4. How to convert HEIC to JPG on Windows via HEIF image extensions. Close Photos app. Visit HEIF image extensions in Microsoft Store. Click Get to install. Open HEIC files with photos. Now accessible in JPG format. Part 5. How to convert HEIC to JPEG on Windows via Image Viewer or Editing app. Open the HEIC file in Paint. You can right-click the image and choose Open with Paint. Go to File Save As. Select JPEG picture to save it as a JPEG. Part 6. How to convert HEIC to JPG on Windows via Online Converter. Upload the HEIC image to the web page. Choose JPG as your preferred conversion format. Start the task according to the instructions on the page. Once the conversion is over, you can download it on your computer.